Hi everyone. I just wanted to thank everybody for being flexible tonight and allowing me to just quickly do a screencast instead of having to meet tonight. Little backstory. There are a lot of educators sick in Madison. My teacher aide went home today with influenza she tested for. So, basically we're out of subs, so I'm gonna try to sleep this off tonight. So, thanks again for being so flexible. Also, if anyone knows how to upload a PDF to the Google Slides, I can't get my research article. I can get that sent through an email. However, I can't get it to upload to Google Slides. So my research article was about family literacy coaching, partnering with parents for reading success. And so what this was is third grade student parents. This was a way that they could be learn how to be their students or their child's literacy coach. It focused on EL parents who believed that they were unable to help their child because they spoke a different language. Literacy night, they had it throughout this semester. It was bi-weekly for 5 months, 10 sessions. So what would happen are the parents and students would show up. The students would eat pizza, and there were some college students there that were that kept them entertained, while the researchers or teachers modeled how a read aloud or how students should be reading, or what the reading interaction should look like between a parent and child. This also just provided the parents opportunities to plan their engagement with their child while practicing with other parents. The reason that I chose this article is because a lot of my parents don't know what real reading is. They just think, oh, well, my student can, or my child can read, they're reading chapter books at home, but you're telling me they're a level 10 in the classroom. Well, how are they sounding? Are they comprehending? Are they fluent? How are they decoding, and so on. So just educating parents on what we look for, because I know if I was a parent, I wouldn't be able to, I wouldn't understand that because I don't have a teaching background. So I'll quickly, I'm going on a tangent. Overall, the parents were more knowledgeable and about how to help their child with reading at home, and they understood what they needed to do to be a part of their child's learning. The limitation was perfect attendance in the first session, and then an average of 5 families per session. And then I believe, if not, I can always present this, but I believe we're presenting for both last week's and this week's. So my professional development is comprehension connections. So Lucy does a nice job teaching the strategies. However, I need more when it comes to the comprehension, teaching comprehension to my students. So this text does a nice job, and we use it in Madison. It covers metacognition, schema, inferring questions, visualizing, synthesizing. I use it as a building bridge to teach my students comprehension strategies. It has visual lessons and benefits for my students. For example, we just did one that schema is like a lint roller. Anything that comes across it is like prior knowledge. So there's a fun lesson with a lint roller that we end up calling a schema roller of the brain. And then it also incorporates writing, discussion, song, art, and movement. So another example is the toss salad lesson. So every time, how to get metacognition and real reading is the text plus thinking equals real reading is the number sentence it comes up with. So we did an activity with that. I could go on and on, but I'm sure you guys are already off task talking about fun stuff that I'm missing out on. So if you have any questions, please just give me an email, and I want to thank you guys again for just being flexible with me. Have a good night.